Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Bing AI on Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To use Bing AI on your Android device, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Bing app installed. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Bing and press enter. Find the Bing app in the list of results. Tap the install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Bing app. You may be prompted to sign in or create a Microsoft account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in or create an account. After signing in, you will see the main interface of the app. Locate the chat icon or voice search option on the home screen. Tap on the chat icon to initiate a conversation with Bing AI. You can either type your question or tap the microphone icon to use voice commands. If using voice commands, speak clearly and concisely. Bing AI will process your request and provide a response. Take note of suggested topics or prompts provided by the AI. Continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions or clarifying your requests. Explore different features offered by Bing AI, such as image search or web browsing. You can also access helpful resources, like news updates and local information. To adjust settings, look for the gear icon in the app. Explore customization options to enhance your experience with Bing AI. Remember that responses may vary based on the complexity of your questions. Use Bing AI as a tool for information, creativity, and problem solving. Now you are ready to explore the capabilities of Bing AI on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.